Here are the top 3 things you might need to unlearn from traditional schooling. First, the need for perfection. Schools often emphasizes perfect scores and flawless execution. While striving for excellence is valuable, the pursuit of unattainable perfection can be detrimental to mental health and overall well-being. Number 2, rote memorization. While sometimes necessary for basic foundational knowledge, often overshadows a deeper understanding of concepts. Unlearning these means shifting your focus from simply recalling facts to truly grasping the underlying principles and applying them in different contexts. Number 3, linear thinking. Traditional schooling often presents information in a linear, sequential manner. However, real-world problems are rarely so straightforward. Unlearning linear thinking involves developing the ability to consider multiple perspectives, approach problems from different angles, and embrace complexity.